Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for tuning in to the Fitzgerald channel. This is Chris O'Gene reporting from Fitzgerald Toyota in Gaithersburg with a rare glimpse into a legend in the automotive industry. This is the 2023 brand new factory delivered Toyota Corolla Hatchback XSE. This one has remote start. It has the JBL upgraded sound system. It has the 2.0 CVT, ICVT. This one is in midnight black metallic, and it has the LED fog lights there, LED headlights right there, and there's a radar right behind the Toyota logo that co-witnesses with a tiny camera at the top of the windscreen to form your lane tracing assist function. Look at the beautiful chrome accented front air deflector. It has the blacked out alloy wheels right there, as well as the mud flaps. Some of them don't come with it. This one came with the mud flaps. Extra visibility window panel there. Your blinking lane change indicators right there. And you have your blind spot monitor in the side mirrors right there, so you can keep up with traffic on both sides of the vehicle. You can see the beautiful midnight black metallic with that sparkle in the color. Over here, you have the two-tone interior with Softex and water repellent fabric. It has the power chair with the lumbar support. I'm gonna come in here. It has the automatic high beams. And then here you have your backup camera, your automatic, there goes your backup camera. And then you have your Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Alexa. You have your Bluetooth configuration. In here, you have the multi-informational display. All right. Right there, you have your different drive modes for you. And then over in the back here, you have your wireless Qi charger in there. Wireless Qi charger right there. And then you have your heated settings for the heated seats. And I like this because it's a beautiful, almost retro two-tone interior. Look at that interior. Very beautiful. All right. And then you come to the back here. You can see the rear air deflector right there. And then the blacked out alloy wheels again. The mud flaps right there. Corolla XSE. All right. This is not easy to find. And if you like this in your driveway, you want to call Chris O'Gene at 202-607-9517. Again, Chris O'Gene over at Fitzgerald Toyota with the Corolla Hatchback XSE. Brand new 2023. Not easy to find. You want to call Chris O'Gene 202-607-9517. Thank you. Let me see if I can open up the trunk area. That's your backup camera right there. I'm still filming. And then here's the rear bumper protector in the back there. Let me see if I can release that trunk. All right. Unlock, unlock. Come over here. Open that up here. You can see the tonneau cover right there. All-weather mat there. This is your trunk area. So it's going to store a lot of things very nicely in a compact fashion for you. Again, soft tonneau cover. It's removable if you don't need it. Again, Chris O'Gene, Toyota Corolla Hatchback XSE, automatic transmission, 202-607-9517. Chris O'Gene. Have a great day.